The jump from a Bafokeng matric to first-year university has been a difficult one for most of our students. As a result, we've come up with a novel idea of creating a 13th year program. In that year, they would be taught the bridging subjects of first year, but in return, they have to donate their time to the community and teach in our high schools. Thabo and Silo are two such students.
Today, I'm going to introduce you to the basic fundamentals of trigonometry.
It's worth it to have a gap year into the originally self-esteem.
You cannot be able to handle the pressure very well from Otomo School or Yago Varsity directly or immediately. The pressure ends. So when you spend a year more high, you become a little bit mature. Which is X over.
These initiatives brought about the maths miracle. After the Royal Bafokeng Institute's inception, there were more maths distinctions in the nation than there had been maths passes the previous year. Pretty impressive.
So, can you find data for me?
One of the newest examples of this infrastructure designed to benefit the nation is this youth center at Luka, opened in November 2009.
The idea behind is to have a place where after school young people can come and actually have fun. We've got challenges of HIV and AIDS, substance abuse, and crime. So with the clinic that we have, so our young people, they will have an opportunity to speak to a nurse, go through counseling. If they also want to have contraceptives, they can be offered that.
The youth center also plays host to many cultural and sports activities. At the recent South African elections in 2009, the Bafokeng turned out in their thousands to vote for political parties to represent them at both national and regional levels. Now here's what seems like the Bafokeng's big contradiction. But within this democratic system, the Bafokeng have their own traditional governance structures. Here at the village level, we have our twice-monthly Lekgotla. This is a traditional gathering of a clan headed by a Khosana who inherits this position from his father.
Mo lokwalong leo ba gaetso go na le bana mo gae ba ene gore ke ba ithaopi bjano ba kopa gore ba ka dirisana le batho ba go fedisa botlhokotsebe ga se re tlo begela lekgotla re tla kry-a ditshwetso dikarabo tsotlhe go lekgotleng gore a lekgotla la dumela gore ga le dumele gore re attende lekgotla ke gore re bona gore ditlhokego tsa rona as morafe somebody's o di tlhokometse.
Na personally ke nagana re le effective because whatever se re lang ka sona re le mo motseng re khona re se kopane mo lekgotleng re se buisane then committee ya rona se se go ba bagolo then dio tsa rona di khona go tsamaya sentle
mo bogologolong lekgotla le ne le tsenwa ke borre ba banyetseng ba bana le malapa re molefe e ne se lekgotla la bana e ne le la borre ba banyetseng
ke go batla kitso ya gore re nne le kitso ya morafe wa naga ya lefatshe la rona ke se gore se tlalang fa lekgotleng mfa
ke chance ya gago gore ga o le go gongwe o se mo Phokeng o kgone go expressa es mo Phokeng o kgona go ithuta gore mo Phokeng go dilo di dirwa yang so ga o sa attend ha o kgone go itse gore how things are being done here.
I must hand over this baton to my son lena a itse fela yalo but since re dumela gore this is an effective means ya go communicate le almost everybody in the village re na le tumelo ya gore in the next 15 years we will still be having lekgotla in our village.